The purpose of education must be human individuals are basically non-violent, compassionate, and cooperator. Human beings are always social being. In the West End, they used to say it's a social animal. Why should we call the man as animal? We are social beings. Social being means we can live with the society. We are kind of society means a relationship. A crowd does not make a society. A relationship can only be positive when both sides have a loving kindness. And loving kindness is a basic nature of human mind. So to awakening of that mind metaphorically say resides in the heart. So brain and heart has two different functions. The purpose of education, His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama says, warm heart. Warm heart. Warm heart means compassionate heart. There should be purpose.